Welcome to our Lesson 8 of Introduction to IT for Business course. Today, we will see how to create comprehensive documents. Namely, we will attempt to integrate Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. First, let me give you a definition on what is a comprehensive document. A comprehensive document is a document that comprises in itself textual, numerical, graphical, and pictorial type of information related to each other. So in order to be able to handle such comprehensive documents effectively and efficiently, you will need to develop an IT skill that will ease your work in managing complex types of information. In what follows, in this Lesson 8, we will be attempting to show how we can integrate different types of information across different Office applications. Getting information from Word into PowerPoint. First, let's get the information from Microsoft Word into Microsoft PowerPoint. I have a Word document, and I'd like to include this information in PowerPoint presentation. In order for me to do that, I need to use Styles group. In this document, I have some text. As you can see, content here has different styles, like heading 1 and heading 2. Now I open PowerPoint and create a blank slide. Most of the people will just simply copy and paste information from Word to PowerPoint, but we don't do that. Rather, go to Home tab, Slides group, and click New Slide. And instead of choosing from the templates that are available within this section, we are going to the slides from the outline. And we will start to search for that file. Make sure that you close the Word file before you start integrating. Otherwise, you will get an error. So you got the file's content. Notice that PowerPoint included a new slide for every single heading in Word file. So within my Word document, a string of text that is added as a heading 1 text, in PowerPoint it will be included as a new slide. If it is outlined as heading 2, then that comes in as a bulleted text. This is actually an easy way to get an information from Microsoft Word into Microsoft PowerPoint. Embedding Excel content into PowerPoint. Now I'm going to show you how to embed and link to Microsoft Excel content into Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's say you work in PowerPoint and you want to add information to a PowerPoint from an Excel spreadsheet. I have this presentation. It deals with equipment replacement. And over here, I have the Excel file that's related to list cost. It's the payment schedule. There are a couple of ways to embed content into PowerPoint from Excel. And the first way is by using PowerPoint. In PowerPoint, I go to Insert tab and Text group, and you click Object. And after you clicked Object, you can either create new or create from file. I'm going to choose from file because I have Excel content already created. And click Browse. Then I navigate to the file. To embed the content in, all I have to do is to click OK, and you will see that the content will be embedded in. As you can see, it places all the spreadsheet, but I'm only interested in the top left corner. I double click on it and it will open Excel tabs in PowerPoint. We take these sizing handles on the corner and sides and move them, so we will get the content we are looking for. Then click outside the table, so we basically cut the rest of that out. Now we can increase the size. So here's my Excel content put onto PowerPoint. But this is just embedded content and it's not currently linked. So if I go into Excel and change some values and save this, as you can see, this table in PowerPoint is not updated. So this is not considered to be a linked content. Linking Excel content into PowerPoint. Now let's embed the content so it does update. Now we're going to learn how to link. Go to Insert tab, Text Group, and click Object. I choose the file location, just like the last time. These are the same steps we did for embedding, but the only difference is that you click Link so that the checkbox is checked and you will see the same spreadsheet. But the difference is that if you double click on it, it's actually going to open up file in Excel. So we changed some value and press Enter. And close it. You can see that the value is updated in PowerPoint. The only problem is that it doesn't allow you to resize the table. Paste Special. In order to be able to resize the table, we use Paste Special. So there is a way to work around this problem. So if you want to link your content and want to see only what you're interested in, open up your Excel file and highlight just the area that you want and copy it. Then go back to PowerPoint and on the slide go to the Home. Clipboard Group. Click the Paste arrow. Paste Special. From here, it's going to open the Paste Special dialog box. Go to Paste Link. That will link the content and choose Microsoft Excel worksheet object. So the content appeared on the slide. If I change content in Excel, it will also change in PowerPoint. So this is linked content that is also shown in a manageable size. Now you can resize the content to the correct size and easily be able to edit by double-clicking on it and change to whatever I want it to be. In this lesson, we learned how to integrate the three Microsoft applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. We learned how to integrate information from Microsoft Word into Microsoft PowerPoint, how to embed and link the content from Microsoft Excel to Microsoft PowerPoint. We even saw how to paste special to link the content that it updates in the correct size. In your future professional career, you will often come across situations when you need to demonstrate data from different angles and representations using various applications while working with tons of documents. Besides, you will be required to integrate data quickly and concisely, in which case simple copying and pasting process will be time-consuming and much less productive. In this case, integrating data from one application to another using a range of different functions that Microsoft applications have to offer, which we learned today, will come in handy. Thank you for your attention. We will have our Q&A session during our lessons. Please check your timetable. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please feel free to email them to me. Thank you very much. Bye for now.